Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best G Sight firearm is probably one of the most effective and safe ways to improve your shooting skills without expending ammunition, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced shooters who want to hone their skills, practice trigger control, and improve their overall accuracy. This system provides valuable insights into your shooting technique, allowing you to identify and correct any flaws in your form, ultimately leading to better performance on the range. Number 5. Mantis X3 Shooting System. See a dramatic improvement in your shooting accuracy. In just 20 minutes, you'll be amazed at the results. It's easy to use and provides personalized feedback. It tracks every shot, providing detailed analysis and progress tracking. The free app offers various training courses and drills for personalized feedback. Practice efficiently without spending a fortune on ammo. Refine your technique with dry fire training, saving you money and time. Practice at home, at your convenience. Build confidence and improve your skills without leaving home. It's like having a personal coach. It's compatible with most pistols and rifles, as well as airsoft and CO2 guns. Use it with your own equipment for the most realistic feel. For firearms without a Picatinny rail, an adapter is sold separately. Check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. It leverages data-driven training to meticulously track your shot patterns and provide personalized feedback. If you are looking for objective insights into your shooting technique and want to improve your accuracy, this is the perfect choice. You'll see noticeable improvements in your shooting skills and save money on ammunition costs in the long run. What people say. After just 150 dry fire rounds, I could see improvement in grip and aim. Great device to save rounds while still improving technique. This is a great training aid. It enhances dry fire training, adding tips, training suggestions, and records performance to monitor your progress. It also measures very small movements in your grip and trigger pull that you may not notice without it. So it's a more objective feedback on how well your training is going. This is an incredible tool for practicing your grip and trigger pull. This lets you see in real time how your firing process affects your accuracy. The feedback from this is invaluable for shooters looking to improve, or even beginners. Number 4. LaserLyte Score Time Trainer. This innovative target makes dry fire practice fun and effective. It's perfect for honing your skills, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. It couldn't be simpler to use. Just set it up and start practicing. It's great for both experts and beginners. It's compatible with your existing LaserLyte equipment, making it a seamless addition to your training setup. No need for extra purchases. Choose between two modes. Training mode traces your shots and displays your score, or Score Time mode for timed shooting intervals. It can stand on any flat surface or hang on a wall. The choice is yours. With up to 147 LED lights, it provides a clear and bright display, even in low light conditions. You'll always see your results. It's perfect for friendly competitions. Includes training pistols for full-size and compact handguns. What we like. It's incredibly user-friendly, suitable for both beginners and experienced shooters. If you value ease of use and want a fun way to practice, this is a great option. Its versatility allows you to train in various settings and challenge your friends to competitions. What people say. The method of scoring and resetting etc. is brilliantly implemented. You can just stand back and shoot, then shoot the score circle, write down your score and then shoot the reset circle and start again without having to go back to the device. The pistols are 2 different sizes. So, great for holster training from different holster types. This trainer is good for training your trigger operations and your aim. There are 2 modes, shoot so many rounds, then see how you scored and display the hits, or timed rounds, 5, 10 and 15 seconds. I definitely see improvement in my shooting. Number 3. Laser Ammo Smokeless Range 2.0. Experience realistic shooting simulations from the comfort of your home with the Laser Ammo Smokeless Range 2.0. It's the perfect tool for honing your skills or simply enjoying some target practice. It comes with 10 preloaded training programs, including everything from target shooting to more dynamic drills like bomb blast and can toss. There's something for every skill level. A high-speed camera is built in to capture your performance and provide detailed feedback. Analyze your technique and track your progress. Use it with a projector and screen for an immersive experience, or connect it to your TV for a more compact setup. It's adaptable to your space. We're so confident you'll love it, we're offering a 2-week free trial of the software. Try it risk-free and see for yourself. Whether you're a casual shooter or a seasoned competitor, it provides engaging training to improve your marksmanship. Enjoy safe and effective practice at home. Minimum system requirements are available upon request. You'll use your own computer or laptop. It's easy to set up and get started. What we like. It offers a wide array of engaging training programs and utilizes a high-speed camera for detailed analysis. If you're seeking diverse training options and enjoy using technology in your practice, this system is ideal for home use. You can enhance your skills with various drills in the comfort of your home. What people say. If you meet the min recommended specs for processor speed and RAM, even old hardware and OS will do. I'm running Win 7, Service Pack 1, on a 10-year-old ThinkPad, and the program works great. No lag. Detection of hits is 99%. You can use LA's own cartridge. I found bright red third parties also work. The base program is excellent practice and fun. There are moving targets, which you're not going to get elsewhere. Number 2. Laser Ammo LaserPET. It's designed for use with laser ammo SureStrike lasers and many others. This includes red visible lasers and some invisible training lasers from brands like LaserLyte and CERT. Improve your shooting skills with this electronic target and its interchangeable inserts. Create custom training scenarios, indoors or outdoors, to boost your accuracy and speed. Its compact design and included tripod make it easy to train anytime, anywhere. Take it to the office, on vacation, the possibilities are endless. It offers 4 modes: tracking hits, measuring reaction time, timed shooting, and practicing double taps and reloads. It helps you improve various aspects of your shooting technique. Power it with 2 AAA batteries or a micro USB cable, not included. Train at home or on the go, whenever you have time. What we like. It boasts compatibility with a wide range of training lasers and offers personalized training options to cater to your specific needs. If you value versatility and portability, this is an excellent choice. You can take it anywhere and customize your training sessions to focus on your weaknesses. What people say. Has 4 different modes that give you the ability to change up your drills. I like how it isn't as light sensitive as some of the other training targets that are cheaper than this one, so you aren't going to get inaccurate results. It's compact and works with multiple types of lasers unlike many of their competitors. It also has multiple training modes that are pretty handy. Number 1. Mantis Laser Academy Standard Kit. This system provides guided drills and real-time feedback, helping you improve your shooting accuracy. It's quick and easy to set up, perfect for all skill levels. It uses a laser cartridge that emits a beam with each trigger pull. Smart targets register your shots, which are automatically timed and scored by your phone or tablet, tracking your progress. Our free app offers exciting drills, quizzes, and videos. It automatically scores your sessions, letting you compete with friends and making practice fun. Sharpen your skills without spending a fortune on ammo. It lets you refine your technique during dry fire training, offering effective practice and potentially saving you money in the long run. Practice with your own firearm at home. It's convenient, fun, and saves you money. It's like having your own shooting range. The kit includes everything you need: laser cartridge, smart targets, tripods, phone holder, and a carrying case. You'll also get full access to the Mantis Laser Academy app. What we like. It provides guided drills and real-time feedback to enhance your learning experience. If you appreciate structured training and prefer a comprehensive kit, this is a great option. It comes with everything you need to get started and track your progress. What people say. Setup is very straightforward with the app. The laser didn't work at first until I worked out that the tiny batteries were upside down, and then it worked like a charm. The kit I bought came with small and medium targets, and I appreciate the ability to fine-tune my aim to smaller targets as I get better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.